Hi! In this video, I'll be sharing about SHOPLINE's comments management feature. Using comments management, you can quickly evaluate the performance of livestream from a single dashboard, find specific orders during the livestream, send direct messages to customers, edit orders, and manually create orders for customers. To enter comments management, you can click on any live room that you want to manage and find the comments management tab on the left bar. Now, let me walk you through the interface. You will see the performance dashboard, which is the entire part over here. It allows you to evaluate the performance of the livestream in one glance. If you are cross-posting a livestream on multiple Facebook pages, up here you can choose between them and look at the performance of each channel. If you choose all channels, you can view the overall performance on all your cross-posted videos. Below is the summary panel, where you can view the total comments, orders, total orders amount, number of customers who have yet to upload their payment proofs, unpaid orders, as well as unpaid amount, which is the total value of these outstanding orders. Meanwhile, here under performance, you can see more information about comments, the number of keywords comments, and etc. Just take note that the number stated for users is unique to individuals, while frequency is not. That means if a customer comments twice, the quantity for users will appear as 1 and 2 will appear for frequency. You'll find that there's a drop-down menu here, so we are currently on the live overview, where you can see the overall performance of the entire livestream. If we now switch to product overview, you will see the performance of the selected products and variants during the livestream. Over here you can see the information about the current available inventory of a product, the reserved inventory, the product quantity added to customer's cart using keyword comments, the number of orders created for this product, and lastly the quantity of successfully paid products. Moving on, I will be guiding you on how to use comments management functions. The entire bottom part here is the comments management section. You can view a full list of comments made during the livestream and also search through comments by keyword and different filters. Using the filters, you can perform a keyword search based on all aspects of an order such as names, message contents, and product name. You can also filter by order type, cart status, and payment status. When someone has keyword commented on an item, it will be considered as a cart created. Order is only created when the customer has checked out on the website. After performing a search, you can switch between viewing all comments, keyword comments, or normal comments. Let me show you how to read the dashboard. On the left, we can see the customer name, and next to it is the list of all products that the customer has ordered using keyword comment, followed by the items in the customer's cart. And there's a list of all orders the customer has with your shop currently. On the right, you will see 3 buttons. The first one with the chat box icon allows you to message the customer directly on the messenger. The cart button allows you to edit your customer's current cart and resend an updated checkout link to a customer. The last button allows you to create an order from scratch for your customers and send it to them through Facebook Messenger. So, if your customer has trouble placing an order themselves, you can do it for them here. If you wish to export a full list of comments or the current customer's cart, you can click on the Export button. In this window, choose either Comment Report, which contains the details of all products added to customer's cart using keyword ordering, or Current Cart Report, which is for the details of products currently placed in customer's cart. Once you have chosen your report type, click Export. That's all for the guide on performance dashboard and comments management. Hope you have a good understanding of how they can be useful to grow your business.